Yeah, this is my washing machine at full spin. And you can see how still it is by the little lamb that's on the top. Look, I'll just zoom in. Look, looks totally unperplexed, just sitting there, not a care in the world. Look, fast spin. See that? Fast spin, and not a murmur off the little lamb. There's no shaking there, you can see there's no vibration, and it's pretty quiet.